At Worldwide Power Products, we take pride in having the most experienced generator technicians in Texas. Our technicians begin with the engine, the heart of the generator, checking oil levels, filters, and coolant to ensure reliable performance. Next, we inspect the fuel system, checking every line and fitting to prevent leaks and keep your generator running smoothly. Every connection, belt, and hose is carefully examined for wear, ensuring small issues are caught before they become big problems. Because seamless operation is key, transfer switches and control panels are reviewed thoroughly to confirm they're ready when needed. Our 78-point inspection ends with a detailed report giving you a clear picture of your generator's health and our expert recommendations. At Worldwide Power Products, we are all in, powering our customer success.